In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create incredible duet songs with Suno AI. Easy method. 5 minutes. Start by signing in to Suno AI so you can access the creation tools. Once you're on the dashboard, head straight to Create. This opens the Composer interface. From there, choose Custom. Custom gives you the most control over structure, voices, and style, which is essential for duet work. Move to the Lyrics section. This is where the magic happens. To guide Suno clearly, separate the vocal parts using short bracketed cues. For example, mark each line with tags like voice A, voice B, both, or harmony. Keep these cues brief and consistent throughout the lyrics so the model always knows who is singing and when they overlap. Next, specify the voice qualities inside your cues or right before each section so the character of each singer stays stable. Simple descriptors work well, such as warm baritone for one part and airy, bright alto for the other. You can also include delivery hints like soft, intimate, or powerful to keep performances coherent across verses. Reinforce your vision in the style box. Describe the overall feel you want, such as acoustic pop duet with gentle piano and light percussion, or upbeat electronic duet with tight harmonies. Tempo, mood, and genre pointers help the system stay on track, especially when your lyrics switch between solo lines and blended sections. Focus most of your duet interplay in the verses. In practice, choruses can sometimes default to a single lead, so making the verses the main call and response section increases your chances of getting two clearly distinct voices. If you want shared moments, mark them as both or harmony, and keep the wording tightly aligned. Include helpful keywords in your prompt and style notes. Terms like vocals, duet, harmony, and male and female improve the odds that Suno produces two complementary voices that sit well together. For more professional results, generate each vocal line as its own track. Create the first singer's part as a complete song, then create the second singer's part the same way. Afterward, bring both into your preferred DAW, align them by tempo and structure, and balance levels, panning, and reverb so they blend naturally. If a section doesn't land, use the Create menu's Cover Song option to regenerate that part with a refined prompt or slightly adjusted cues. This is great for getting a better take on a verse or tightening harmonies without rebuilding the entire song. That's it. Log in, write clear cue-based lyrics, define your voices, lock in the style, emphasize duet verses, and iterate as needed for a polished dynamic duet.